Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Look Fantastic and Glossybox April edition. But before we start, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this will mean the world to me. We're gonna start with the Glossybox. So this is the April edition, which looks absolutely stunning. I love the colors. And you know I always love Glossybox because of the boxes that I can use after. It comes in two Easter colors with a very light blue and then this light baby yellow side as well. And this is how it looks like. And let's see what we have inside, because I received it a while ago but I didn't look into it because I didn't have time to literally vlog it. So this is how it comes inside. It comes as always, easy to unpack, and this is my moment actually. I just so much love unboxing. Alright, let's start with, everything is so pinkish inside, like look at this, look at this. So we're gonna start with this one first. Okay, and let me check what it is. It's from Magnitude London Wipe Out Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Removal Pads. Let's see how it looks like. Oh my god, these are so soft, so soft. So these basically are microfiber makeup removal pads, and it comes in two colors. They are a pack of two. One is gray with white and one is pink with white. This is quite pretty. I never heard about this brand before, but for sure I'm gonna use it because I always try new stuff to remove my makeup easier. The next one will be a mascara, which looks like this. It's just in the same subtones of the box. This is a lightening thickening mascara. It's from, where does it say the brand? Botanic and Beauty, I think. Yeah, botanicbeauty.com. I've never heard about this brand, but yeah, so it's for length and thickness. I've never heard about it. If you ever heard about this brand before, please leave it in the comments below, and if you ever try this one, I'm very curious to find out your opinion about it. The next one will be a polish. It's from Nails INC London. It's in a shade of a nude, as you can see, and the color is Mayfair Lane. I don't usually really use normal polishes because I always have gel nails, so for me it's not really useful, this one. Who's using now normal polish actually? Because it takes so much headache, it takes so much time to dry, it takes so much time to stay there and to dry it, and then if you wash some dishes or you do anything, it just comes off, especially if your nails are very thin, which I do have it actually. I can't afford to wear this kind of stuff, not even for toes. The next item, it is a, I think it's a scalp massage tool or something like this. It looks like this. Let me take it out of the box. Actually, I really need this one because I use lately Christina, and I'm gonna review it later in here. This is my 4th week and I can really see the results. So you normally, after you apply Christina, you need to use your hands to massage it, so maybe this one will be a good tool for me to make it easier, because you always need to apply it in the evening, so it's just, I'm very tired in the evening. So this is the tool. It's a plastic tool, and let me check. This really feels good and you don't need to use your hands anymore. It's less pressure for your hands, so I think it's a very nice one. For sure I'm gonna use it. The next item that I have, and I think this is the last one, this is a Christoph Robin scrub. It's a scalp scrub. I have it now in a full-size version. This is a travel version, travel size, and to be honest, like, I love it. Like, literally cleans your scalp very well. And besides this, like, literally is a scrub inside. Let me open it so I can show it to you. It's like a scrub, like a body scrub basically, but when you apply it on your scalp, it gets you foam, so you don't need the shampoo anymore. I usually use before shampoo, and then I apply this one and just massage it in order to remove all the dead cells and stuff like this, because my hair is very oily, and I usually use this dry shampoo, the one from Batiste, so it makes it very heavy. Sometimes when I wash my hair, I need to wash it like 3 times in order to remove everything from my hair. So this one is a must. If you want to buy this box, I would suggest you to buy it, because this item is amazing. Just to try this on to see what can it do to your hair. It's just absolutely amazing. So yeah, my favorite from this box is this one. So it's absolutely amazing. I'm very happy that they always give you something that you must try on, and it's amazing. I told you this one is a must. So we're done basically with the Glossybox, and we're gonna start now obviously with Look Fantastic. As usual, I told you the big story of Look Fantastic with the new box, which looks horrible. I don't understand why, even though it's much more expensive than the other one from the Glossybox. Let me open it. Even inside the packaging is so weird, as I told you before. It looks literally like this. I hope you can see it. Nothing fancy. And hopefully we have something nice inside. Okay, I'm not gonna choose. I'm gonna take something randomly. Okay, we have the same polish here. Girls, I don't know what's going on with the polish. This is a darker shade and it's called Bear With Me. This is as well from Nails Ink London, and if you use normal polishes, I guess this is a very good one for you, because I think it's around 15 pounds or something like this. Yeah, I don't use this. Alright, let's get to the next one, and this is Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask. This is how it looks like. As it looks to me, it's a travel size, but let me double check. It's a Russian? No, it's not Russian actually, it's Greek, because on the other side it's written in Greek, and on the other side it's written in English, and this is a microbiome technology, nourish and rebalance, 94.6 natural original content, origin content. So I guess it's everything from Greece. Let me check if I can smell it. It has something on top. It smells like I don't know, a very classic cream. Nothing amazing, but I hope it does the job. I'm gonna try it on, because I always try on masks. I'm literally into masks so much to hydrate the skin, especially these ones. I prefer them more than the sheet mask, because I don't feel like it does a lot. I think for me, like Korean masks, like the sheet masks, the classic sheet masks, they are like they're nice, but it's just only for relaxation, for pampering and all this stuff. Not something that will make a huge difference. Besides these ones, they are like comes as a cream. It just makes a lot, like you can make a difference. This is my opinion in regards to my complexion, which is mixed to oily. So maybe for dry skin it reacts totally different. Next item, we have a Paradox hair mask. This is how it looks like. I think as well is travel size. It comes in 30 mils and it's with seaweed for repair and rejuvenation, and it says that it smooths and hydrates hair. I've been trying so many of these testers for hair masks, and to be honest I couldn't find something that is amazing. But I use one at the moment from Vela, I think, which literally makes a huge difference. Sometimes when my hair is very tangled and I go into the shower and I just wash my hair and I apply a mask, then it makes a very huge difference, because I don't need to comb my hair and break all the hair in order to untangle it. So I'm gonna try this one as well. I've never heard about the brand, but I hope it's a good one. It says it's a game changer mask, so let's see if it's a game changer mask or not. The next item is a Colistar. This is a scrub as well. So this is how the scrub looks like. It has an oily base as well. I'm not quite sure if it's sugar or salt, but I'm gonna find out now. Firming Thalasso scrub, detoxifying exfoliating salt with essential oils and sherry. So this is a salt scrub, which I absolutely adore, because usually with this most of the time actually when you try, if you ever tried scrubbing with sugar scrub, it just melts and you can't really do a thing with it. So salt, I would prefer all the time the salt scrubs besides the sugar scrub. This is a Polystar, so you can literally mix everything together and then it comes more liquid. Let me check how it smells because I'm very curious. Polystar is a very good brand, so I think this is a must in this box. At least they give something nice as well. Oh, it's so hard to open. This is a travel size as well. How many mils it has? It has 70 grams actually. Okay, look at this. Look at the packaging. I mean, come on, I have 2 holes in here. Why would you do this? It smells so nice. So luxury, so classic. I just love the smell. However, it's very, very liquid. But I'm gonna try this on to see how it is. It feels like it's very strong, which is a very good aspect when you're trying scrubs. Let's go to the next item, which is a velvet lip liner, long-lasting formula. This is how it comes. It's in this packaging and it's from Seat, London. I hope I'm spelling it right. These guys, I think they were doing polishes as well, normal polishes. If I remember a long time ago, I was buying polishes from them. Let me check how it looks. The packaging is quite nice, very easy to use, very thin. And then let me check how it looks. Wow, and the lip liner is quite thick, which is amazing. Let me show you the color. This is how the color looks like, which is quite pretty. It's something that I usually wear. I wear reds or this kind of nude colors because this is everything that really suits me. It doesn't really suit me pinks or anything, even though I would like to wear it. I think this one and the neutral shades and red are the only ones who suits me. I think actually red suits everyone. Let me go to the next one. This is light work. What is this? Rosehip fruit extract cleansing oil. Okay, so this is a cleansing oil and this is as well a travel size as much as I can see. I don't think they have bigger than that. The brand is called Pay. I've never heard about it before. Hopefully you did, and let me know please. And this says massage across dry skin, rinse with water, avoid direct contact with eyes, blah blah blah. Yeah, I can't really use this kind of stuff because my skin is already oily. Can you imagine how would I wake up in the morning with like this oily skin already and using oil to cleanse my face? It's just crazy. I can't use this thing. But I think for those of you who have a dry skin, I think you should try it on. This literally feels like it's only oil inside for some reason. And let me check if it has an interesting smell. It smells very natural, and it comes with this small applicator, which is very, very small. It looks like it's an eye cream form. This is the only way I can explain it, like literally. I've never seen this kind of applicators, just for very expensive small creams or for eye creams, but normally it's for eye creams. Never heard about it, but I hope it does something. At least it smells good. So if you have the box, try this on and please let me know as well because I cannot try this on. The last item that we have is something yummy. It's a mallow and marsh, vanilla marsh. This is a chocolate bar or something. This is how it looks like. It has 70 calories. This suits me so well now because I'm on a diet, so I'm gonna eat this one for sure. What's the special? Absolutely no palm oil, which is amazing. You know how much damage palm oil can do. And it's a vanilla marshmallow bar coated in milk chocolate. Let me try it on. At least I can afford to try this one now. And look how cute it looks. So spongy. This tastes so good. And for 70 calories, are you sure it's 70 calories? Because this is very sweet. Yeah, actually 70 calories. This is so good. This is heaven. Like literally for 70 calories is so sweet. I'm not that into sweet so much, but usually it happens to me when I have a diet or anything. Just that is the moment when I would like actually to eat sweets or everything that I'm not allowed to eat. So this is the unboxing. This is all we got in these 2 boxes, and as I told you earlier, my favorites are this one from the Glossybox, and from Look Fantastic is the Star Scrub, which is this one, and I can't wait to try it on. If you have any favorites from these 2 boxes, please leave it in the comments below, because I would like to find out which one you like. And obviously, if you tried the products that I told you that I never tried, and you have any idea of how to use it, how they work, please let us know in the comments below, because it can help me or other from the community. Again, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to help me to create more content for you. And I will see you next week. Mwah!